I want you to understand something, that when I come up in this bitch, I want the fans jumping, I want the fist pumping in the air. I don't look like a millionaire, but I feel like $1,000,000. Ladies, won't you fill your cups? Shadies come to fill you up. Are you a D or a C cup? You could even be a B. It's just me and DRE. You'll be in the ER, we all strapped with so much TNT. We may blow, no, not even CPR from the EMTs could help you to resuscitate. You busters must be flustered. Wait, you can't cut the mustard. What's your problem? Can't you bust a grape? What's my name? Shady came and just crushed the game. It's really not even fair to them, cause they pale in comparison. So much they might as well wear a skin. Don't you wish you could just share his pin? Cause this shit's getting embarrassing. The fog is thick and the air is thin, cause he won't even let them try to breathe. Da-da-dee-da-da-da-da-dee. He makes it look so easy. Girl, you just hit the lottery. Now this would be the part of the song that they drop the needle on and hell breaks loose. Try to restrain us, you can't contain us. We're still gonna make a mistake no matter what we do. Everywhere we go, it seems we're looking for any excuse to just cut loose. So this would be the part of the song that they drop the needle on and hell breaks loose.
This is when shit hits the fan like it just splattered on stand. This is the only moment that matters. Your homie rolling with matters. Now chaos erupts, Sims and back drains in the front. So do what we say at once. It sounds like a seance, it haunts.
It makes them stay in a trance, no choice, they have to dance.
It's like the playoffs, just making sure that we stay in the hunt. Take a day off of what, man, you better lay off the blunts. You must be smoking something, you think I ain't smoking nothing. Stay off my nuts, now hit the flow, baby. Time to wipe away all the rust. Shake all the cobwebs loose, loosen up with a little bit of Grey Goose. Yeah, girl, shake that caboose. I don't wanna see you try to make no excuse. DRE is on the loose, I'm a goose when it comes to the chronic use. You know I can't stand to lose. Me and my goons are like animals. We come through like a pack of wolves, and we came here to retract the roof. Yeah, man, ain't that the truth? Girl, your man's back in the booth. Definitely back up in this bitch. This is when all hell breaks loose.
Now this would be the part of the song that they drop the needle on and hell breaks loose. Try to restrain us, you can't contain us. We're still gonna make a mistake no matter what we do. Everywhere we go, it seems we're looking for any excuse to just cut loose. So this would be the part of the song that they drop the needle on and hell breaks loose. Now I know you're feeling discouraged, but homie, just mark my words. I'm murdering the flow, liquid courage, I'm finna blow. As soon as we hit the dope, power surges at the toe. I'm sure to push it as far as words are meant to go. We're in the indigo, in the bagel, it's in the windows. Ferocious as we proceed to beat up the block with your hoe. With speakers knocking, it's 3 o'clock, me and Doc then proceed to drop me and hop out the vehicle and knock on your door.
Yeah.